Hello and welcome to El Segundo News, where we inform you about issues and topics happening in the city of El Segundo. I'm Egidio De Leo. The city of El Segundo will have 3 city council seats and 1 city clerk seat up for election on November 5th, 2024. There are many ways to make sure your voice is heard. Drop off your vote by mail ballot in the drop box on the corner of Main Street and Holly Avenue, or vote in person at one of the 3 voting centers in town. Cambria Hotel LAX is open from October 26th through November 5th, and the El Segundo Public Library and Da Vinci Schools will be open from November 2nd to November 5th. Voting hours are from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and on November 5th from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. For each voting center's dates and hours, visit elsegundo.org/election. The Recreation Department will also be providing seniors with free rides to the El Segundo Public Library to vote in person from November 2nd through the 5th through the Dial a Ride with Lyft program. To schedule a ride, please call the Jocelyn Center at 310-524-2705. For the latest election information, visit elsegundo.org/election. Local police would like to alert residents of a recent uptick in coyote sightings in El Segundo. Here's Lieutenant Corey McEnroe with some tips to help keep coyotes at bay.
Hello, my name is Corey McEnroe, and I'm a lieutenant with the El Segundo Police Department in charge of the Special Operations Division. I wanted to speak with you today regarding the recent uptick in coyote sightings throughout the city. Over the years, coyotes have become increasingly more common to our urban environment, and with that, they are less afraid to live and walk amongst us. One reason the coyote sightings have increased lately in El Segundo is possibly due to it being right in the middle of dispersal season. Dispersal season peaks in Southern California from September to December and is when adolescent coyotes are forced out of their dens and begin searching for new territories, mates, and other coyotes. There are many things that we can do as residents to make El Segundo unwelcoming for coyotes. Some of these include not leaving pet food outside unattended, keeping your pets on leashes while on walks or outside their enclosed yards, keeping your yards clear of dense brush, and ensuring your crawl spaces or sheds are secure and not accessible to animals. In the event you see a coyote, but the animal is not posing an immediate threat to you or your pet, do not interact with the animal. You can then report the sighting by emailing coyotesightings@elsegundo.org. If the coyote is at that moment actively threatening you or displaying aggressive behavior towards you, call 911 and we will respond immediately. We can never eliminate coyotes from our area, but if we minimize their food resources and make them uncomfortable, there is a higher likelihood they will relocate to safer rural areas within the county.
If you see a coyote that is not an immediate threat to you or your pet, do not interact with the animal. Instead, report the sighting to coyotesightings@elsegundo.org. Dial 911 immediately if a coyote is threatening you or displaying aggressive behavior. El Segundo police are also noticing an increase in stolen e-bikes and want to give residents a few reminders. Invest in a quality lock with a sound alarm. Double lock your bike. Lock your bike to a fixed object. Secure your bike components. Park your bike in a busy, well-lit location. Install a GPS tracker with real-time tracking. Lock your garage when storing your bike inside. Keep a bike passport and register your bike with the police department. For more details and crime prevention tips for e-bikes, visit elsegundopd.org and look in the October newsletter under the Community Engagement tab. From warding off coyotes to tips on securing your e-bike and so much more, our local police work hard to keep our city safe. Here's your chance to learn how the El Segundo Police Department functions and operates. ESPD is now accepting applications for the January 2025 Community Police Academy. The free 10-week course is held on Wednesdays from 6 to 9 p.m. and covers topics such as K-9, school resource, motors, SWAT, dispatch, investigations, and DUI. The goal of the academy is to keep the lines of communication open between officers and the community. To register, visit elsegundopd.org and look under Applications and Permits under the About ESPD tab. The deadline for registration is January 8th or until the class is full. Classes begin January 15th and dinner will be provided. And if you see our police officers with a little more facial hair this month, it's all for a good cause. Movember, or No Shave November, is a movement to raise awareness of prostate cancer, testicular cancer, and suicide. The goal is to increase early cancer detection in men, along with diagnosis and effective treatments, therefore reducing the number of preventable deaths. Participants let their facial hair grow, and the money normally spent on grooming accessories instead goes to a foundation that addresses Movember's mission. In observance of Movember and to raise awareness of prostate cancer, local police are asking that donations go to the City of Hope. Donations can be made at ourhope.cityofhope.org/ESPD. Did you know that our city has a quick and easy way to report non-emergency issues? Here's how El Segundo Connect can work for you.
Welcome to El Segundo Connect, the city's easy-to-use platform for reporting non-emergency issues like potholes, air quality concerns, or graffiti with just a few clicks. And it's available 24/7 from your computer or phone. See something that needs attention? Open the El Segundo Connect website or download the app. Click on Request for Service, select the type of issue, add a comment or details, attach any supporting pictures or documents, provide a location, add your name and email, and click Create Request. It's that simple. After you submit your request, the city team jumps into action to take care of it. Creating an account allows you to keep track of your submissions and get updates on the status of your request. You can even see service requests submitted by others to know what is happening in your area. El Segundo Connect also provides instant access to a variety of city web pages, including the latest news, calendar of events, and job opportunities, keeping you informed and engaged with everything happening in El Segundo. Whether you're at home or on the go, El Segundo Connect is designed with your convenience in mind. Visit elsegundo.org/connect or download the El Segundo Connect app today and put the power of our city in your hands.
For more information, visit elsegundo.org/connect. Work continues for a pavement rehabilitation project on various streets and alleys throughout the city of El Segundo. The project is expected to be completed by January 10th. The schedule may change due to material availability, weather, or other unforeseen circumstances. For details, visit the News or Public Works section at elsegundo.org. And an emergency repair on a storm drain that caused a sinkhole on Grand Avenue is done. The storm drain lateral pipe cracked in September. Excavation, backfilling, repaving, and restriping was done. 140 feet of sewer pipe was also replaced. The $230,000 project was funded by the city's general fund and sewer fund. El Segundo is the base of many innovative tech companies and recently sparked the interest of visionary entrepreneurs when the city participated in LA Tech Week for the first time. Catherine Chen has the story.
The City of El Segundo has partnered with Sidebar Summit to host an exclusive CEO roundtable during its inaugural participation in LA Tech Week. This is the site of connections and conversations that will propel innovation in AI, aerospace, and energy.
A lot of entrepreneurs, founders, and investors came here. We have a great partnership with Sidebar Summit. We've been working with them a couple years now. Mayor Pro Tem Pimentel actually made the introduction. They've been great for us. Oftentimes we're going up to Silicon Valley, but because LA Tech Week is happening throughout LA this week, this is a perfect opportunity to get all these people here. I think I heard 80% of the people in that room, and there look like there are a couple hundred in there, are from outside of LA. And so I spent time talking to them about why they want to do business in El Segundo and how we have the best talent pool, best logistics, best tax environment, best people.
So I'm one of the curators of Sidebar. Actually, it's 4 or 5 of us that put together a monthly, not necessarily a networking event. We say it's more of a relationship building event where at the end of the day, you want to work with people that you like, you want to work with people that you want to support, and you want to work with people that you trust. And startups and investment is all nothing but trust.
Mayor Pro Tem Chris Pimentel moderated a panel that showcased Radiant and Skyrise, 2 El Segundo businesses.
So you never know where the next Steve Jobs or Bill Gates is going to come out of. So that's one thing that we try to do is in terms of how do you really create and increase this ecosystem that we've already built. And Sidebar with El Segundo is one of the ways.
It's great to see the city of El Segundo and a couple of El Segundo-based businesses being represented here tonight amongst all of the brilliant minds working on some big ideas for the future. Back to you, Egidio.
Thanks, Catherine. LA Tech Week is an annual week-long event series that brings together entrepreneurs, investors, and tech innovators to explore the latest trends and opportunities in technology. Now let's talk sports. During Thanksgiving week, the LA Junior Kings will host their annual Tinseltown Thanksgiving Festival Tournament. The tournament will run from November 28th until December 1st. Designed for kids ages 8 to 18, the tournament will feature teams from all across California, as well as 3 teams from Mexico and 2 from Canada. Games will be played at 7 different locations across Southern California, including right here at the Toyota Sports Performance Center in El Segundo. Special appearance from Kings alumni will inspire young athletes and enhance the experience. Registration is now closed, but you can attend all the games for free. For more information on this or other Junior Kings tournaments, you can visit their website at juniorkingshockey.com/tourneys. Join the Kings for a memorable celebration of community and the love of the game. And here's what's happening in the upcoming weeks. With the holiday season approaching, the El Segundo Police Department is welcoming the return of traditions like the Toys for Tots program. By donating a new unwrapped toy, you can help bring joy to less fortunate children at Christmas. There are 2 donation sites open from now all the way until December 5th. The El Segundo Police Department lobby will accept donations Monday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the Mattel headquarters holiday tent at 1955 East Grand Avenue will be available on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. For more information, visit elsegundopd.org. Another tradition returning this year with the help of the El Segundo Fire Department is the Spark of Love Toy Drive, now in its 32nd year. If you would like to participate, drop off new unwrapped toys or sports equipment at Fire Station 1 on weekdays from November 11th through December 19th between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. The donations will be distributed to underserved children and teens in the Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Orange, Ventura, and Riverside counties. El Segundo organizations that are interested in receiving toys can reach out to sparkoflove@elsegundo.org. Over the years, Spark of Love has collected and distributed nearly 11 million toys. For more information, visit elsegundofd.org. Dinosaurs are coming to town. The El Segundo Recreation Parks and Library Department will be showing a PG-rated movie about dinosaurs on Thursday, November 14th from 6 to 7 p.m. at the George E. Gordon Clubhouse. Snacks and crafts will also be at this free Dino-themed event. Movie runtime is 1 hour and 24 minutes, and families with kids ages 4 and up are welcome, and registration is not required. Do you have any questions? Well, you can call 310-524-2726 or 310-524-2362. Whether you're a competitive or social gamer, the El Segundo Public Library is inviting teens from 6th to 12th grade to participate in the Switch It Up teen gaming program in the Sue Carter Community Room. Bring your friends and your Nintendo Switch for an afternoon of gaming, fun, and snacks on November 19th from 3 to 5 p.m. Different gaming consoles will be set up so you can try out a variety of different video games. Space is limited, so be sure to sign up at the Adult Reference Desk or by calling 310-524-2728. Kids who want to dive into some fun before Thanksgiving Day can sign up for the Thanksgiving Aquatics Camp at the Aquatics Center. Swim, compete, and splash with the city's lifeguards on Monday, November 25th, all the way through Wednesday, November 27th from 3 to 5 p.m. This event is open to children ages 6 to 12, and the cost is $60 or $47 with a rec ID, and registration is now open at esrec.org under the Aquatics tab. For more information, you can also call 310-524-2738. The clubhouse will bubble over as bubbleologists perform and present the science behind, you know it, bubbles. Bubble Mania happens on November 25th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at the George E. Gordon Clubhouse. For more information, call the clubhouse at 310-524-2362 or the youth desk at the library at 310-524-2726. The Recreation Parks and Library Department will present the annual Joy Around the World Festival of Holidays and tree lighting event on Thursday, December 5th from 3 to 7 p.m. at the City Hall Plaza and the 300 block of Main Street. This free family-friendly event celebrates winter holidays around the world with music and cultural dance performances, a kids train ride, food trucks with multicultural cuisines, craft stations, holiday shopping, and a Christmas tree lighting. Santa will arrive shortly after 3 p.m. for pictures with guests and the gift giveaway. Limited Fast Pass wristbands are available to El Segundo residents with a valid 2024 or 2025 Recreation ID card beginning November 18th at the Jocelyn Center. If you have a Fast Pass wristband, you must be in the Fast Pass line prior to the tree lighting ceremony at 5:30 p.m. For more information, please contact 310-524-2700. That's it for this segment of El Segundo News. You can also watch more city-related videos on the El Segundo Media YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.